Can we add own songs in Instagram story? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, navigate to Instagram app on your device. Sign into your account. Now tap your story icon at top left corner of your screen. Now simply you need to start creating a story by choosing any video or picture and tap sticker icon at top right or simply select music icon. Tap on not now. And here you can see the For You section, and when you tap on Browse, you can browse the music that is given by Instagram. So you need to note that Instagram only allows music from its library, not your own files. So, alternatively, in order to use your own song, you can edit the video beforehand, download and open any editing app like InShot or CapCut, and you can easily edit the video in InShot, adding your own music, and then saving it. After that, you can upload to Instagram story. So, Instagram doesn't allow direct uploads of personal music, which is the limitations of Instagram. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.